Welcome to the Mobilair factory of KAESER Kompressoren Coburg. The M50 out of our e-power range is well known, but this time we show on the BAUMA fair the machine with frequency controller. And we call it M50E SFC. SFC for Sigma Frequency Controlled. Here we get an efficient and flexible machine you can use between 6 and 11 bar. With a free delivery of around 5 cubic meters, it's perfect to use on construction site, but also for industry for bridging the time during maintenance of the compressor station. With frequency controller you can connect the machine to weak power network, but also to generator or ready for the future to a battery storage system. So please come to Munich, come to our fair stand and have a look to the machine. Looking forward to seeing you.